Hey everyone, how's it going? Happy Friday. Welcome back to Adobe Live and welcome to today's masterclass for Adobe Express. If we're just meeting, my name is Katrina Torrijos and I am the Adobe Express Evangelist as well as a content creator on the side. And today we'll be making presentations. I was inspired by all of the speakers and presenters at Adobe Max and how they used presentations to captivate their audience. But before we get into it, let's say hello to chat. How's it going, chat? Hello. Hi, Wade. Hi, Noor. Hi, Viola. Hi, Anki. Who else is here? Hi, General Kenobi. Hi, Steve. Welcome to the stream. How's it going? How's your Friday going? Do you have any weekend plans? Oh my gosh, it's Halloween weekend. What are y'all doing? Robert, hello. Hi, Monica. Hi, Barbara. How's it going? I'm so excited to be here. But yeah, big thing that just happened. Adobe Max happened last weekend. Or was it last weekend? No, the weekend before. I think. Oh my gosh, what day is it today? But anyways, for everyone that attended in person or virtual Max, how did you like it? What were your thoughts? Actually, you look like you. Oh, thank you. I woke up on the right side of the bed today. Also, this is a new camera setup. I hope y'all like it. I busted out my vlogging camera, so it looks a little bit different. We have a little bit more depth of field, if you know what I mean. It's a little bit low, so maybe I'll like rise the camera maybe next time. I need a stack of books or like a taller tripod, but yes. Barbara's eating the chocolate. Yes. Going to Salem for Halloween. Yes. Oh my gosh. I have zero plans for Halloween. I'll be here in Adobe Express. But yeah, so back to talking about Max, like I watched so many like sessions and stuff, and watching, Adobe Live throughout the week, and also like just seeing everyone's presentation styles, just so I can like learn how to be a better presenter and stuff like that, because I'm gonna tell you right now, for my sessions, my slides needed a little work. So that kind of inspired today's session and how you can make more stunning and more visually appealing presentations. Because they are a great way to like present your idea or proposal or report. So yeah, having a solid presentation template that you can go back to will save you time and, can guarantee that your presentation will be a lot more streamlined and like it will set you up for success and to be able to tell an effective story. Jordan said A+ camera setup. Yes. Barbara said great programming. I love it. I love it. Oh my gosh, everyone commenting on Jordan going to Salem. Oh my gosh, yes, you have to let us know how it goes and also do a stream. You have to do a stream and like catch everybody up. Okay, the news just keeps saying to take public transportation. Ooh, yes, Jordan, you have to give us updates when you come back. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump right in. We only have 30 minutes. Wow, no. We have an hour together. So let's hop on over to the screen. And now we are going to look up presentations, which we'll type it in here. Let's see what we got. And we have a bunch of different presentation templates. Like we have some flow charts here. We have some title slides. Let's see. We have a couple other things. Ooh, also, I want to point out that sometimes it'll pull up these, these letter templates, and these are for like printed like materials, printed presentations. So, because when we think of presentations, we think like, oh, PowerPoint, like landscape, but I think it's another good way to look at it, to look at like proposals. There you go. That's the word. I think that's good. So I'm thinking for today's masterclass, we'll start with one slide and we'll slowly like build on it and like create our own, our own slide deck style based off of one template. So let's actually do this one. I'm kind of into it because it has like a picture. We have like an element here that we could stick to. We have a color scheme. And we have really good text. Let's see. Jordan said, but yes, Max was great. Wonderful sessions. Amazing to meet folks in person. Yes. Will you be using Adobe Express? Yes. We want to see all of the Salem posts in Adobe Express. There's no getting out of it, Jordan. This is the next stream. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so first we need a topic of the presentation, or like, the first thing we need to, people are gonna see. Topics. Maybe, okay, this is gonna sound really, really meta, but let's make this about why you should be using Adobe Express today. Question, is there a way to show the available templates other than in grid format, like maybe displaying only one by one, or are there any plans to add this feature? Okay, so I know, Nor, if you look up, there's a way to filter it. So if I go back here and we search up, we go back here, there's actually different categories here. I believe, let me see. There's the use cases here. So like there's Instagram stories, YouTube thumbnails, stuff like that. What's it called? It'll show this category. Is it this? I don't know what I closed. Oh, show more. There's different like use cases. So like the resumes and stuff like that. Like these are all sizes. So that's how you can like filter sizes if you would like. Where was I? Oh, here. But that is a great suggestion, because I can see how that gets misleading when people list the use case rather than go by dimension. You know what I mean? I think that's a great suggestion. Okay, so what did we agree on? Oh, why you should try Adobe Express. Okay, let's see. Because sometimes my mind gets lost in the grid format. I get that. I totally get that. Okay. Why? I don't know if I want to use like two different formats. Okay, wait, let's take this out. Let's see why you should use Adobe Express. This will be a great presentation. I'm gonna need ideas. Okay. Let's do this. Let's do some alignment. Okay, and then I think I want to add a highlight style. And then this is where we can... I think I saw one that said no fill, right? Was there one that didn't have a fill? I don't remember. Unless it was outline? No. Oh, yeah. Transparent. Oh, there you go. So let's click on that, and then let's highlight Adobe Express. Right? Or should it be reversed? Kind of like this. Yeah, let's go with it. Okay. And now, oh no, spacing. Why you should use Adobe Express. And then, so we have this. We can get rid of this logo over here, but if you have a logo or something, you could definitely put it here. And then we have this nice graphic. We can definitely make it a little bit bigger. Oh. What did it do? Okay. So let's get rid of this cutout. Let's make this circle a bit bigger. And we're just gonna mess with this template a bit just to get like a style happening. Content creation all in one place, 2 creative inspiration for browsing, templates, and font recommendations, 3, oh my gosh, you're just writing the presentation for me. How did you change Adobe Express text to outline? Oh yes, Janesh. So what I did was, you can toggle the outline feature. I mean, what is this? Outline effect. And then you can, there's like a little switch that says transparent text, and then it will take out the fill. So that's how I did that. Cute little trick. Okay. So we have this graphic here. Okay, let's see. Let's do a photo. Let's do Lightroom. Let's see if I have something. Here you go. Recent albums. Check out the brand photos if you haven't. They're on my Instagram. Shameless plug. On my Instagram. Why you should use Adobe Express. Let's do maybe this one. We're gonna rip off the background anyway, so we'll be okay. And then we're just gonna hit remove background because it's a phone. It makes coffee. Yes, totally. It gives you the same energy and excitement as coffee does in the morning. And now we're just gonna crop this a little bit, hit freeform so we can crop it however. Press OK. Heck yes. Okay. Oh my gosh, wait, this looks great. I love it. Okay, and then now one good practice to do if you're making presentations is to put the month or like the date of the presentation, but also your name too. So since we have this heading style, we definitely need to have a secondary. So I'm thinking let's do Leto's a good one. So we could do, what is this, October 2022, and then there you go. Then you should put your name. At least that's how I would do it. Just so when you send out, just so if you send out this presentation as like, you know, a PDF or like it's in a replay, people can like reference back to it, like when this presentation happened and also who made it so they know who to contact. And then I think maybe we'll do the line spacing on this one too. There you go. Cool. So we have our title slide. Yay. That's Adobe Espresso. Oh my gosh. Someone write that down. And, you know, let's turn it into some merch or a show or something. Imagine we have like little like espresso cups that say like Adobe Espresso or something like that. I think that'd be so cute. Oh my gosh, that could be like another like branding thingy that we could totally use as an example on stream. Oh, I should move it this way. Get this out of the way. Okay, cool. So we have our title slide, and now we are moving on to the next one. And all we have to do, thank goodness for this multi-page feature, just duplicate page. And now we have the same styles and everything. It's great. Okay, so next, usually after you do like the title slide, you want to introduce yourself just in case your audience doesn't know who you are. So in that case, a new picture. But usually I like to put an about me, because that's like the second thing I say. Like, let's say the stream is a presentation. I'd be like, we're making presentations today. Next slide. If we're just meeting, my name's Katrina Torrijos. That's where the about me comes in. So let's do like an about me. About me. And then, good thing we have the style already. Oh, and then let's actually be fancy. Let's do the outline. There you go. And then we'll just move this here because it's our paragraph text. As long as Wade gets all the credit and royalties. Yes, exactly. Quick, it's branding emergency. Oh my gosh, Wade. He's on a roll. Wade definitely had coffee today because my brain cannot be that quick. Okay, about me. Hi. I mean, you can, okay, some people like to write in third person and some folks like to write in first person. That's a lot of questions that I get, is like, which one to do? And I think it just depends on the vibe of your presentation. Like, do you want to come off more like friendly and like approachable, kind of like casual? Or I noticed like third person sounds a lot more professional, very like, whoa, this is the speaker, you know? If you ever want to collab, know where I'll be in chat. Wait. Oh my gosh, that's funny. Hi Becca, welcome to the stream. Okay, hi. My name is Katrina. Oops. There you go. What do I do, y'all? I say it every day. What do I do? I am the Adobe Express Evangelist. I stream on Adobe Live and make videos. Oh, YouTube videos for Adobe Express. It's my face. Okay. Anyways. So the bio would go here. And then, oh, I could also do a subheading. So like if let's say you want to bold something, I think that's another thing that I love doing is like taking advantage of the highlight style, which a lot of people don't know about. Is that how you do like the two different fonts or two different styles in one line is through the highlight feature. So yeah, definitely take advantage of that if you want to make headings or subheadings in the same text block. Of course, you could always do another text block, but I just feel like this is like a little bit easier and like cuts out that step, you know? I think I got everything. Do I have is? Let me see. Nope, I missed the is. There you go. There you go. And then to lock it in, make sure you switch to main style. Because if you stay on highlight and you click anywhere else, it's going to highlight transfer the highlight style. But yeah, okay. And then we'll do a second text block. And then here you can put your socials. So we put follow or connect with me on social. So we'll put it like a little further down here. And then let's do bold. And then let's do another one. I can never write for myself. Hi, I'm a dreamer and I believe in art stuff. Eloquent. We love it. Picasso. If that's how you feel, that's exactly what you are. And a homecoming queen. There can be miracles when you believe. Yes. Oh my gosh, homecoming queen. I have never. Hi, Anika. Welcome to the stream. How's it going? We are making presentations today. because I was inspired by all of the Mac speakers and how well their presentations were made. And I thought, this is an essential skill to have, because I've seen a lot of bad presentations and, you know, couldn't BS on Adobe Live. Could not BS. Okay, so let's do the handles here, and then we're just going to do the icons, or shapes, my bad. We're not saying icons anymore, we're saying shapes. Okay. Icons was so Adobe Spark. Okay, Instagram. Let's pick what looks like Instagram. We don't have the exact logos on here, but they get pretty close. People get the idea. Oops. I was like, did I click the wrong one? Okay. This looks good. Just scale it down for now. Let's just gather some Twitter. Give us the bird. We want the tweet. I always use this one. This one's cute. Scale it down. And then Facebook. Will it give us Facebook? It gives us the like. It won't give us the F, but that's fine. That's fine. I mean, and also if you would rather not have go the shapes route, you can also grab logos off of the internet. I'm sure there's all these sites have like media kits and stuff, or like press kits where you can they provide all their logos and stuff in high res if you need them. YouTube. What else am I on? What else am I on? Also on Twitch. Will Twitch happen? It will not happen. It is a very specific logo, but that's okay. Anyways. But yes, that's what I would do. If I didn't want to do any of these icons, I would just grab them from the internet. Just a simple Google search. Super easy. But I don't want to bore y'all with stream. With Googling every single logo on stream. So we do it this way. And we're just going to make sure all these logos are roughly the same size. So how do you present the completed slides? Yes, you can export as a PDF. Also, I've found out that another way to do presentations that I could potentially cover for a future stream is doing it through web pages. So if you didn't know, we still have the feature where you can create websites. Is that the right word for it? Websites, landing pages. Adobe Express web pages. And then I know that since it's like a top down like scrolling kind of layout when making like the web page, you can actually present it and each little block becomes a slide. So that's another way to do presentations that we haven't covered before. So let me know if that's something you'd want to see. And change this all to white. Okay, let's see how this looks. My sizing is all crazy right now. Oh my gosh, my Instagram got all tiny. That's okay. We'll fix it in a little bit. I think I forgot to turn off my hardware accelerator again. Dang it! Okay, it's okay, it's okay. We're trekking along. Okay, wait. Zooming out. Is it possible to share as a URL? If you're doing, what's it called? Or maybe this asset's broken. Hold on. Let's just get rid of it. I know you can also share like a URL to the deck and it'll show like just like this. Let me see. You can invite people to it, or you can also publish it and it'll pull up on like a blank like web page, which you can then share the URL and it'll just show like a, what's it called? A non-editable version. Can we have animations and presentations on Adobe Express? You can definitely add like text animations. However, once you export it as PDF, just know that, what's it called? Just know that, you know, the animations won't work. Oh, photos, shapes. Let's try a different. Let's do this one. Hopefully we don't run into the same issue. Otherwise, I don't know what's going on. Okay, I just tried and saw that it's possible. Yes. Like in other Adobe apps. Oh. To share as your okay, I think, is it possible to share as a URL like in other Adobe apps? Yes. It will give you a URL if you do it. I'm not sure about the like in other Adobe, like and how other Adobe apps you can share your designs. Is that what you mean? But I saw that you saw that it's possible, so we're good. Okay, I don't know what's going on. Why is it not scaling? It is being bad today. Let's see. Maybe it's a scaling thing. So let me take this out. Let's make it big again. You know what? Let's make it big. You know, if one doesn't fit, we'll make the rest fit. We do not need to shrink our individuality, you know? Just to fit in with the crowd. There you go. Is this weird that this is middle justified, center justified, when the top is left justified? It's a little weird. It's another thing. When you're making like blocks of text, make sure all your justifications like match or like complement each other. So like switching between center justification and left justification is a no. It messes with the eye a bit. And I have a bad habit of doing that sometimes. Let me bring this down here. There you go. And then now we're going to change the picture. Let's do another one. Lightroom, same library. Sometimes shapes don't like to get small and it makes me crazy. I know! Hi Andrew, welcome to the stream. Let's do... Well, I talk about Adobe. So let's see this one. By the way, we need an Adobe Express pillow. I did not see an Adobe Express pillow at Max and I was very sad. Because here I only have the Creative Cloud. Actually, if you turn this pillow over, it has, it's actually the Max pillow from 2 years ago or last year. I can't remember. But we need an Express pillow because this is a Photoshop pillow and I'm I'm an imposter. I know how to do one thing in Photoshop and one thing only. Replace the layers and remove background. Oh, not edit cutout. Let's edit the crop. Here we go. Wow. Meow. I just got my Max pillow in. Nice. I just zoom out. Oh yeah, sometimes that works. Sometimes zooming out works. And also an Adobe Express scarf. That would be cool. Okay, so now moving on to the next slide. Now we get into the introduction of like what we're talking about. So since this presentation is about why you should use Adobe Express, we need to talk about what is Adobe Express. So winner to 10 points to anyone in chat who can come up with the best one-liner about Adobe Express. Okay, maybe two-liners, two sentences about what is Adobe Express. What is Adobe Express? I want an Adobe pillow. Yes, Janesh, they're in the Adobe store, I believe. Okay, so for highlight, let's select these. Oh wait, is the main style the same thing? Oh, the main style is the same thing. No, we don't want it. Okay, so now we need to switch these two. Perfect. Okay, and then lock it down. Adobe Express is the Thanos gauntlet of the Creative Cloud. Why have one app when you can have them all? That's perfect. Doesn't exactly explain the basics, but it's perfect. Let me just copy paste that right now. Adobe Express is the, I don't think we could even say Thanos because copyright, but gauntlet of the Creative Cloud. Why have one app when you can have them all? Question mark. I think that's a question. Yeah, that's a question. Okay. That's you guys are funny. I love it though. For all intents and purposes, this is just for example. We are in no way sponsored or claim copyright over this content. Any copyrighted material mentioned in the stream. This is inspired. One app to rule them all. I figure we're just having fun and demoing. Let's have it. Yep, we're fine. Okay, I'm not gonna say that. Janesh, I'm not gonna say that. Okay, moving on. Okay. Oh my gosh, too funny, too funny. I'm just not gonna repeat that sentence. Okay. All right. So I don't have any pictures of Adobe Express in my Lightroom, so stock photo. It's time to use a stock photo. Let's see. Let's do like a laptop. Inspiration for the faint of heart. Cheryl. Oh my gosh, we have mock-ups. Look at that. I like this. She looks like she's having fun. Let's do maybe let's do a shape. Life is y'all. Oh my goodness. Chat is spicy today. Okay, now let's have someone on their phone because Adobe Express is a phone app. Oh man. Ooh, okay. Whew, I need to calm down. Oh, I love this picture. Hold on, wait. Let's look at this. Let's look at this. Oh, yes. I love it. I love it. You get to be a circle too. I love it so much. Wait, are we... It's not that, Becca. It's just, you know, we want to be a little focused, you know. What's it called? We want to be focused on the task at hand. Which is, what's it called? We're just focused right now on creating presentations in Adobe Express specifically. So, but I mean, I'm all for it, you know, whatever tool you use, as long as the creativity and the work gets done, it don't matter. 'Cause that's honestly my goal at the end of the day, is to inspire you all to get creative, regardless of any tools that you use. Whatever makes you comfortable, that's all that matters to me. It's Free Flow Friday. Yes. Either he got a match or he won the lotto. Oh my gosh. This is my first Adobe Live tutorial. Already loving it. Oh, I'm so glad you're enjoying, Janesh. We stream all the time on Adobe Live, almost every day, and Fridays are masterclasses. So you get all the evangelists here teaching in depth about their product and stuff. So, yeah. And for me, every Friday, 9:30, I'll be here teaching Adobe Express. So I hope to see you again in another class and that you're having fun. Okay. No one else has anything to say about what is Adobe Express? Is this the description? This is okay. I mean, I'm not opposed, but this is okay. He got his first TikTok follow. Yes. Oh, it's so hard to get TikTok follows. I mean, I'm on TikTok, but I don't post very much. I'm more of a consumer on TikTok. Okay, so next one. So the next thing you want to do in your presentation is, once you orient the audience on what your product is, the next thing you should address is like how it will benefit them, how it will solve their problem. Because at the end of the day, whether you're teaching a tutorial, giving a live presentation, people want to know and want to consume content if there's something in it for them, if they will benefit something. So we're just going to give it to them straight. How will it benefit you? So that'll be the title. How will it benefit you? And once again, sound off in chat. How does Adobe Express benefit you? This is a community effort. We are one team. We are presenting this to the Adobe Live executives and convince, it's like preaching to the choir if we're presenting to Adobe Live executives, but you know, people who have never heard of Adobe Express, we must impress them. Okay, let's do this. How will it benefit you? So we are highlighting key phrases in our titles and also our paragraph text, so that it looks a little bit more punchy and it stands out a bit more. No issues, one more year. I'm on TikTok. It saves you time focusing on the creative parts you love and not the technical parts that can slow you down. This is the express lane to creativity. Love it. There you go. There you go. You know, this is Andrew's presentation now. This is his presentation. It saves me time focusing on the creative parts you love and not the technical parts that can slow you down. This is the express lane to creativity. I love it. I love it. And then now we just have to switch up the visuals. Another way, like, that I sometimes like to switch up slides, I think we'll do this in the next one, is actually flipping the visual and the text. So, like, the eye kind of dances a little bit, because, you know, sometimes, you know, people doze off a little bit. Attention spans are a lot smaller. So the more you can play around with the eye without having, you know, without straining them or like making them mad at you is not a bad way to go. So we'll just replace with another photo. Creative. Maybe we can get someone doing some creative work. Oh, yes. Yes. They are working on a laptop. And then we can do even another fun little shape. I know I'm doing a lot of circles. Like, what if we did like a rhombus? Right? A rhombus. Deliver fast. Charge higher. Great content. Impressive presentation. Fast. I love it. I'm gonna add that to the bottom. This is great. Y'all are content geniuses. Yeah, something like this. Ooh, or we can do something like a little. We could play with it a little bit more. Like, let's do this, and then let's duotone. Ooh, we're getting ideas. Let's duotone some of this. Let's see. That kind of matches, and then we'll duotone this one to like something similar to the red background. Maybe that's a little bit too red, but let's do something like this maybe instead of black. Like let's do like a navy blue kind of thing, you know, make it less intense. So something like this, and then we put the full color right here. Ooh, we're getting creative. We're mixing it up. We're going crazy. We're making it pop. Okay, anyways, moving on. Now, moving on to how will it benefit you? Let's do like a part 2 slide. So we have like, one thing I like to do is the one-liner, like the headline of what, you know, things, you know, what's it called? Like of the main point we're trying to prove. And then the next slide, if you want to provide more context, you break it down. But the trick to a good presentation is not too many words. So we don't want to see no paragraphs. Instead, we want to see more visuals. So that's where shapes can come in. So let's, actually, I deleted this text prematurely. So let's just put some placeholder. And then now let's add in some shapes and get, you know, a little, let's start compartmentalizing a little bit. I think I used that word right. But we're going to show like maybe the 3 big main buckets, how Adobe Express will like benefit a person. But, you know, of course, add it to like any context that you want. But let's see, let's get rid of like the pictures. I don't think we need pictures on this slide. So we'll just leave that here, and then we'll move this off to the side just for now. And then let's change the fill to the same light blue. And so we're gonna do some visuals here. So let's duplicate here, and then we're gonna do like a 3 main bucket thing. So let's get rid of this circle, and then let's duplicate this. So now they're all a little bit in line. And then to select them, we're just gonna we're gonna click on one, hold shift, and then select the boxes, and then we are going to scale accordingly. Perfect, okay. So now we just need to center it, and I'm just eyeballing it. I've been trying to learn more about Insta videos, etc. to promote my art. It's a whole new world. I feel that. I've been posting a lot more reels on my Instagram just to like get in the habit of creating on my phone. Like if you don't know anything about me, you should know that not that I hate, but like I can't create on mobile to save my life. Like the screen is too small. I need the mouse control. Like I fat finger everything. Like I'm not, it's harder for me to create on mobile. And so like creating like Instagram Reels or like TikToks using the in-app editor, it like drives me insane. So sometimes, but then when I make videos, like let's say on my computer, bring them into my phone, it's a lot of steps. And sometimes it doesn't look as good on the phone when you're editing. So it's a lot of like trial and error too, like if things get cut off because you don't have those guides on the sides that sometimes Instagram will show. Like if you're moving text, it'll pop up like, oh, this is here, this is here. You don't have that. So when you're creating on your laptop, so like it's a balance. But yeah, so okay, so the top 3 buckets it will help you with, let's see, let's do creativity, and then, oops, I moved it, and then let's duplicate this, creativity, what's the next thing, like, social media, something like that. And then I want to say like content creation will be the next one, marketing. I'm gonna do content creation. And we'll do, just extend the text box. Ugh, I really think my accelerator's on. So apologies for this scuff tutorial. But just a heads up, if you are using Chrome as your main browser and you're noticing Adobe Express is a little laggy, one tip is to go into your browser settings and turn off hardware accelerator, because that is what causes the lag. And once you turn it off, you are a-okay. But in this case, I don't think I turned it off. So apologies if things are a little buggier today. You know what this kind of I don't know if I'm hungry, but this kind of reminds me of like ramen noodles, this graphic. But I do want to keep that squiggly element. I agree. I hate doing anything on mobile. Yes, but some people love it. And I can see why people do it, because it is, in a sense, easier, faster when you're on the go. Okay, so now we're going to make this bullet list. Creativity, let's see. And for the bullet points, let's just make it like a couple words. Tons, we're yelling. Tons of design assets. We'll make it a little smaller so it fits. And also, I don't know if the contrast is coming up. Like, I'm thinking maybe we'll do a soft black for the text instead, so you can read it easier. Yeah, that seems nice. Let's do the same thing. Just add 2 chopsticks and you got it. Yes, it does. It reminds me of ramen noodles. Okay, tons of design assets. What else? Templates to kick off your creativity. No. Templates to start from. Something like that. No, I kind of like the other one. To kick off your creativity, and then one more. How does it help with creativity? Let's see. How does it? You can also start from scratch. But starting from scratch can sometimes scare people, so we could do like we could say something like limitless amount of possibilities. Sure. If anyone can write that better. Kickstart your creative process. Oh, I love that. To kickstart your creative process. I love that. Oh, I keep doing that. Okay. So we'll do that, and then let's adjust. And then you can even adjust the line spacing, because I can see it's a little squished. So something like that. Or if you want, you can do each line like separately in its own text block, and then you can align things like yourself manually. But for the sake of time, y'all get it. We're making a bulleted list. You can format it however you want. Social media. Okay, so now we'll do some couple words for social media. So we could say like schedule posts ahead of time, or schedule and plan posts ahead of time. Templates for social media assets with templated, unlimited possibilities. I love that. Okay. Schedule and plan posts ahead of time, templates for social media assets. And then I think 2 is fine. And then we do another one, content creation. And y'all get it. Content creation, templates for all use cases. This is just me running out of things to say and also running out of time for the class. Access to Adobe stock, access to Adobe fonts. So this is like, you know, where you break down the specifics and how it supports the main, what's it called? The main mission that we mentioned earlier. But yeah, and then once that's done, the last thing you'll do is do a thank you slide, which usually is the title slide again, but it just says thank you. So we're just going to go ahead and do that. Drive it to the bottom. And then this will be like the ending slide. Let me just zoom back in, and then let's just have this say thank you. And then from there, you'll put in your CTA, which will be like a subscribe or like follow me, something like that. But you can do anything. You can put in a QR code with our QR code generator. But essentially, this is it. Here we go. We could put like, follow me for more content at Katrina Torrijos, or whichever your CTA is, or see more at XYZ website, something like that. So you can definitely play around with it. But yeah, essentially we made a presentation in under an hour, which is pretty good. Usually it takes me longer than that, but in Express, it just took me under an hour. So with that, that concludes today's class. Thank you all so much for joining. And yeah, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel for more content just like this, and stay tuned for more masterclasses throughout the day. All right, so have a good weekend, everyone, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.